I'm Corey Lee with Milehimodern, and welcome to 4930 East Ellsworth. This property has so many standout features that really elevate its appeal. It has 3 walls of windows that not only makes it spacious, but it makes it cozy just to sit in. All of it just kind of flows together. It connects the indoors and the outdoors beautifully. The exceptional craftsmanship and attention to detail from both the homeowner and the builder really make it a standout home. This multi-level floor plan has so much livability, and it's not what you see every day. It's just about as versatile as you could get without wasted space. Come see what makes 4930 East Ellsworth so special.